Hello, my cute little friends. I hope you all are good. Welcome back to Kumar's Math Lab, where every problem has a solution. This is chapter 14, part 2 of class 1. In this chapter, we'll learn addition up to 20 using number bonds. So, let's get started. Look at the combinations of blue and green caps. These are few blue caps and few green caps. Okay, place correct addition sentence to show the total. Okay, let's place correct addition sentence for the first one. Okay, now we have few blue caps here. These are blue caps. How many are they? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have few green caps. These are few green caps. How many are they? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 blue caps and 4 green caps. So the correct addition sentence for these caps is 4 plus 4 is equal to, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 is the correct addition sentence. Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, now come to this one. Here we have 1 and 2 blue caps. Okay, now we have few green caps. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the correct addition sentence here is, tell me. Yes, 2 plus 6 is equal to, tell me quickly. Yes, this is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 is the correct addition sentence. Okay, let's check the answer. See, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Now let's count the caps of this section. Okay, so the blue caps are 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and the green caps are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 3 plus 5 is equal to the total number of caps. And what is the total number of caps? Yes, these are 8 caps. Okay, so 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 is the correct addition sentence. Okay, let's check it. See, we were right. Okay, let's move. Select all that are equal to 8. Okay, so 8 plus 0 is equal to, see, we know when we add 0 to anything, it will not change. So 8 plus 0 will equal to 8. Okay, 1 plus 7 is equal to, yes, it is also 8. And 5 plus 3 is equal to, tell me, 3 steps forward from 5. Yes, it is also equal to 8. Very good. You all are doing it correct. Very nice. 2 plus 7. Now tell me, when we add 2 and 7, we'll get 9. Yes, this is not equal to 8. Okay, so 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8 and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So these three are correct answer for us. Okay. So the correct answer is 8 plus 0, 1 plus 7 and 5 plus 3. Okay. Very good. Let's move further. Look at the shaded numbers that have the same sum. Okay. Where are the shaded blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the shaded blocks. Okay. Look at the numbers in them. 5 plus 4. So what is 5 plus 4? Add them. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to, tell me quickly. Yes, 3 plus 6 is also equal to 9. 9 plus 0, again we are adding 0 to 9, so it will remain 9 only. Okay, now 7 plus 2 is equal to the same 9. Okay, 8 plus 1, this is easy. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So what is the sum of these shaded numbers? We already did this, right? Here we have 9 and 9, 9, 9 and 9. So the sum of these shaded numbers is 9. Yes. Very good. Let's see the next question. Max says 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. But Meera says 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay. This is Mac and this is Meera. Mac is saying 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And Meera is saying 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay. Who is correct? Now you'll have to find who is correct among these two cute kids. Okay, let's do it. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Is this correct or not? Calculate. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are these is equal to 10? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 is correct. Now let's calculate these two. Let's make 6 counters and 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 counters. 1, 2, 3 and 4 counters. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, addition of these two is also equal to 10. So this is also correct. So tell me now, who is correct? Only Mac is correct. No. Only Meera is correct. No. Both are correct. Yes, they both are absolutely correct. Okay. Come on, very nice. Now, Lizzie says my sum is 10. Okay. Eva says my sum is 9. Okay. Correct addition for Lizzie is, okay, we need to place here all the correct addition which is equal to 10. Understood? Now do it with me. Is 5 plus 5 equal to 10? 5 plus 5. Tell me quickly. Is this equal to 10? Yes, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, now 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Yes, this is not is equal to 10. Okay, 7 plus 2 is equal to 10. No. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Yes, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Very good. You all are doing correct. I love you all. Come on. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Right. So, we'll write this also here. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. Very nice. Now, let's do it for Eva. Okay. We have 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. And 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. Now, let's check these 3 which are remaining. Okay. Correct addition for Eva is, Eva's sum is 9. So, 8 plus 1 is equal to, yes, this was simple. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to, tell me, come on. Yes, it is also equal to 9. 5 plus 4. Come on, add it quickly, quickly, quickly. I'm waiting for your answer. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Very nice. I'm so proud of you all. So, we'll write this 3 here for the correct addition for Eva. Okay. Let's write it. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. Very nice. Look at the counters below. These are the purple and green counters we have. Select the missing number. Okay. So, 7 plus 3 is equal to what? Okay. So, we have 7 purple counters and 3 green counters. Let's see what is 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 should be equal to the sum of these purple and green counters. Okay. So, what is the sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, we sang it very nicely. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Good. We saw 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, look at the counters below. Let's see these counters now. Place the missing number to complete the addition sentence. Okay. So, this was equal to 10. Now, let's count these counters. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 purple counters. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 green counters. Okay. So, this 5 plus this 5 is equal to what? Tell me. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wow, this is a magic. 7 plus 3 is also equal to 10 and 5 plus 5 is also equal to 10. So, 7 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 5. Can we say this? Yes, because 7 plus 3 is also equal to 10 and 5 plus 5 is also equal to 10. Understanding my point? Very good. So, the correct answer here is 5. Let's check it. Yes, 5 plus 5. 7 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 5 is the correct answer. Okay? Place the missing numbers to complete the addition sentences. Okay. So, 7 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus. Tell me quickly. They should be equal to each other. So, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So, we need to write a number here which will add to 6 will become 10. Yes. So, 6 plus what is equal to 10? Tell me. Yes. Very good. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 here. And 2 plus what will write here to make it 10? 2 plus 8. Very good. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 again. And 1 plus, this is a little easy. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Yes. Let's check the answer. Yes. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Okay. Place the missing numbers to complete the addition sentences. Okay. So, 4 plus 4 is equal to, addition of these two is equal to 8. Very good. Now you all are getting a little quicker. Right? Let's do quickly. So, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 3 plus what is equal to 8? Yes. Now, tell me quickly. Yes. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to, tell me. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Yes. So, 0 plus, when we add 0 to anything, it will remain same. That's why 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Okay, let's check the answer. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Very good. Now 8 plus 0. Similarly, we are adding 0 here. So it will remain 8 only. So 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. And it is equal to 7 plus. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, 7 plus 1. Right. Very good, my loves. Very good. Okay. Place the missing numbers. 4 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is equal to 1 plus what we will write here. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Correct. So, let's check the answer. Yes. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Similarly, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 here. So, we'll write what here? 2, add it to 5 and make it 7. So, tell me the correct answer. What plus 5 is equal to 7? 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Correct. Now, 7 plus 0. Easy. 7. Very nice. Tell me the correct answer. What plus 2 is equal to 7? Yes. Nice. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Very good. Hope you enjoyed learning. In next class, we'll learn addition, subtraction using fact families. Thank you so much. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.